Hi everyone, in this video we will see how to use post processors in your OctoPerf. So what are the post processors? Post processors are the processors which we use to do assertions or we can get the content of that response using extractors, JSON extractors, CSS extractor, XPath extractors. So all this comes under when you do some actions on your response, then we'll call it as a processor. So now let's see what process available in the Octopus. So after opening your script, on the left side of the menu, you will have an option called processor. If you honor that, you will get all the listed post and pre-processors in your script, in your Octopus. So if you want to add assertion, so this is the response assertion and this is the JSON assertion. We can add the assertions to your script. So before adding to any of the specific requests, you have to select the specific request here. You need to select the request and then you can add your preprocessors. So now I'm going to add a preprocessor here by clicking plus symbol, regular expression extractor. So when I click that, I got the regular expression extractor here. In this regular expression extractor, you have multiple options. And so in JMeter, you will have a boundary extractor, regular expression extractor, separately. But in October, both comes as a single point. So this comes as a boundary extractor. If you want to get any by expression, so you can get it by the expression as well. You can give it by the expression as well. So here we have the action of random all or specific element. So you will get the specific element here. And if you want to validate anything, you can select the response drop down here if you have any response. From here, you can check the given what the output. So give expected output. So let's run this. So I'm disabling this. Uh, let's run the script and we'll apply a simple regular expression so we can use that regular expression. So here in this configuration, if you see the left offset and right offset, so you will not have a control of setting the string. So you will have a control of the length of the character. So from first 15th element or next, the index of the character basically. So we're using that index of the character, then value will be captured for the boundary extraction. So from where you want to check it. So I want to check it from the headers or body. So if you have an headers, you want to select the headers here. If you want to check it from the body, you want to check it from the body here. It's in advance you have a facility of regular expression. So it shows the Java format of regular expression, but still you can use the regular expression what it works in JMeter. Uh, Works in the JMeter. It should not be a problem. So if you want to add another processor like JSON, you can add JSON processor. If you have an XPath, you can add the processors, XPath 1 and XPath 2. So you have two types of XPath extractors which you can use of the CSS extractor. By using the CSS tags, you can input field, input type name. By using type names, you can use this CSS extractor. And this is a post sampler which we'll use for it's a post processor in a JMeter, which will have a JSR23 sampler, JSR23 post sampler basically. So now we got the response of the first request. So if you try this, so based on this value 2021, you got a value here. Check if you see this null. So let's write a simple example, a simple regular expression. Simple regular expression. So you will have a here value. So if you see you have an input variable name FP. So we'll take We'll take this value. We'll take this value. So it was completed. So again, for refreshing, if we take this value, paste your regular expression here. I'm changing the value here. Dot star question mark, which I'm using here, and I want the first index. So if you go here, this is the group and this is the actual value what we got here. So we have not given the variable name. So in the variable name, I'm giving it as a FP. FP. So if you come here, it will show the value of FP, the variable name with FP. We got a variable name with a FP. So we got this is the capture value what we use. So this is one of the examples of post processors, and we have the multiple post processors, JSON, CSS, XPath, as I said, script post processor, which will use Groovy, JavaScript, Java of your into your post processor. If you want to add any new post processor which is not existing in your script, then you can add your processor by installing the plugin in your local JMeter, and you can export the script into the OctoPerf, and you can copy the post processor to our crypto script. So just by using the option of copy, you can copy the action and you can paste it wherever you require it. So hope help this. Thanks for learning this, friends.